Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, the work week started off quiet here in the coastal bend. We reached 95 degrees in Corpus Christi, starting the day at 78 degrees. And right now, we are still sitting right around 93 degrees. In fact, it's hot out there and sticky. 92 in Corpus Christi, that heat index 104. The wind, it's been up again today, and right now blowing at about 23 miles an hour. Picked up just a few clouds this afternoon. Those have pushed inland with our sea breeze, and those temperatures heated up inland. In fact, up to 97 right now at Alice, and 92 at Ingleside to 93 at Robstown. We dealt with that humidity. It did climb. Since Friday, the humidity's been rising, and you could probably notice it. And this is the feels like temperature right now, still feeling like 103 Robstown, 108 Alice, and 105 degrees at Kingsville. Well, that wind today did pick up. We saw those winds in the past hour still right around 23 miles an hour, inland about 18. And as we go through tonight and tomorrow, the wind tomorrow is going to pick up again. It's still on the breezy side for Tuesday. In fact, Tuesday's wind speeds very close to 20 miles an hour, 15 to 20 tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday, the winds are lighter. You can see on Wind Tracker here, we get into Wednesday, they're very light in the morning and only up right around 15 miles an hour in the afternoon from the southeast. All in all, though, with that onshore flow, we're not going to see a lot of change in our humidity. We're going to stay in that very humid to oppressive air, dropping just a little bit here as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, but all in all, it's just going to be a typical week here in the coastal bend. So for tonight, low temperatures staying in the mid 70s well inland, but upper 70s to near 80 at the coastline tonight. Tomorrow, the temperatures anywhere from the 80s, around 85 at 9 in the morning, and then making it to 95 by 1 o'clock. It's going to be a hot, sticky day tomorrow with those winds picking up again, like I mentioned, up to near 20 miles an hour in the heat index, closing in on 105 to about 108 tomorrow afternoon, especially in our inland areas where you're really going to feel that heat tomorrow as you touch the triple digits from Tilden, George West, Alice tomorrow. Inland areas awfully hot as you get toward Mathis, about 98 degrees, and then coastside near 90 with Corpus Christi 96 degrees. So at the beaches tomorrow, you may be heading there to cool down. It looks pretty good. We'll have afternoon sunshine and those temperatures in the upper 80s, a good breeze blowing, and a 3-foot wave and a low rip current risk. We're heading into August. We only got a couple days here before we start August, and with that we keep a very close eye on the tropics because you see here our tropical activity goes up. Our average peak is in early September, around the 11th, for tropical activity in the Atlantic. So something we're going to watch as we're getting into that time of year. For right now, all is quiet. We do have one disturbed area south of Puerto Rico that has a very low chance of developing. The National Hurricane Center only gives it a 10% chance of forming within the next 5 days, and it would affect East Florida. Meanwhile, it's a busy week in the Pacific. In the eastern Pacific, we have 2 tropical storms. Both are expected to become hurricanes, but Eric, as he becomes a hurricane, expected to weaken before he approaches the Hawaiian Islands, and fortunately, most forecast models are taking that south of the islands. So for us, here is your 7-day forecast, and it's brought to you by AutoNation's Super Zero event. Get new cars and trucks with absolutely zero due at signing. Visit AutoNation.com. So our temperatures do stay pretty hot the next few days. 96 tomorrow, coming down just slightly Wednesday and Thursday. Nights drop into the mid to upper 70s by the weekend, but all in all, I don't see rain except for a stray coastal shower. It looks like we're pretty dry right into the weekend.